Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block Instagram app on your iPhone. So let's get started. But please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So what you need to do is you need to go to screen time, scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that this is turned on, and once it is turned on, you want to click on allowed apps, enter your password, and then you can disable it here. But the other way is to go to iTunes App Store purchases, installing apps, and on allow. That basically means that Instagram and any other apps won't be able to be downloaded from the App Store. And the other way to do it is to go to content restrictions, scroll down until you see web content, and basically you can have unrestricted, limit adult websites, allowed websites. But basically you want to tap on limit adult websites, never allow, and then you type in www.instagram.com, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.